And here's eating it.
I'm about to put it. I put it. We'll just take the whole thing of us eating, but you can't knock it down.
Thank you, baby.
I just dropped it.
That's the thing with clouds.
Oh well. Put on my neatly folded hat then.
What? Look at that bite.
The macaroni. You remember mine now? I thought it was going to come out of my nose.
Why?
Because I just laughed so hard.
Why?
Because you were like... Hold on. Now I need my fork. Why did you put the pot on there? For... No. I need a spoon. It's really bad in there.
Not that spoon.
These
These are only $3 for $1. They're good.
Ready?
Alright, and we're done, right?
No. I'm not done. I zoomed in. Yeah, I can look see our faces. Anyway, I don't think my mom's gonna let me sleep very long.
Alright.
I had 5 projects to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Did you have to beg her to have you sleep over tonight?
No. I suppose I know the Ellie today. Run to the song.
I'm done.
I have like half a bowl left.
No, eat faster.
I don't eat it. If I'm gonna eat it, I'm gonna cry.
What would you if I took a big spoonful? Cry?
I'd be really, really mad.
I'd be really mad.
Hurry up and eat. Oh, okay, stop. Alright.
Oh.
And I'm gonna stop.
I have an unknown substance under my fingernail and I just ate it and I don't know what it is. And it's cheese. Proves it though.
I hope so. Nice.
Thanks.
Did you eat the macaroni off my...
Yeah.
If your brother's saying him, I'm gonna laugh.
No.
Okay, guys. Remember Amy told how she used to have a fruit on her wall and we used to think it was like Willy Wonka and we tried to lick it?
Right? Cause we are losers.
Speak for yourself.
This is a good song, full of things to do.
Stop. It was good.
Yeah, not too much.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, Ian, if you have the one song that I love, I will fall off. Can't love it.
What is it?
How could you let? Oh, it's not about you, man. What is it? You played. Oh, how could you let another man do it and how could you bring him? Oh. It's really good. Alright, well, this is the end of our little adventure with the camera. Thank you for watching.
Even though I'm still eating.
Even though she's still eating. And she's going to crack out when she sees this video. Okay? So, I love you. Bye-bye.